Why is bail so high for drug dealers and so low for rapists and thieves? Hayes, thanks for that question. First of all, Matt and Lisa, is that true? Is that true? And if so, why? To answer his question.
There's a rule, excuse me, there's a rule of procedure that actually sets out a schedule of bail, and there's a range for the different ranges of felonies, all the way up from the new Class Ds to the Class As, but it's a recommended range. And if a judge believes that someone is a threat to someone or the community in general, the judge can impose a higher bail. So it's usually, you see within the range of what the named crime is, but a judge can increase it if there's been a prior, or if there's some reason to suspect that somebody won't show up for court. They can set you might have someone, for example, who is charged with rape but has many significant ties to the community, get a lower bail than someone who's charged with a drug offense, but there's a concern that they might flee because they haven't lived here for very long, or something like that.
After all, bail is simply a guarantee that you'll show up for your next court date. It has nothing to do with, that's what it's for, really. That's all the bail is for. Is that accurate?
Yes. And there are, like I said, there are some suggested ranges for judges, but they can look at the individual circumstances. And a lot of times, sometimes people can't afford a high bail, even on a serious crime.
And the jails don't have room for them. I mean, that's one of the reasons why we have the system altogether.
Sometimes we're surprised by the amount of bail. Sometimes it seems low for a murder charge, but there's set limits for that as well.